a group of warriors was chosen to change the world. A group of elite warriors with thousands of victorious battles on their backs was chosen to fulfill a destiny, to bring their grandeur to every battlefield. It's often said that the road to success is like climbing a mountain, a steep, stony, and risky path, but it's actually a battle for which no one else can prepare you, a battle you must fight for yourself. The weapons we forge for battle must be created with the fiercest fire of all, that of a burning desire for a dream, that of an irreducible passion for what you do. They didn't care if it was difficult. They didn't care if it hurt or what it would cost. They committed themselves to the mission, knowing that they had to give everything for it. There's no other option but victory. In this battle for your success, your weapons are created from scratch, by yourself, and must be sharpened every day with persistence, consistency, and discipline. Inspiration doesn't work, only determination. The battle for success can't be fought in just one way. There is no warrior without honor, integrity, or transparency. And there is no victorious army without brave warriors, ready to be in the front lines, paving the way for everyone. They have sworn to be the guide to victory, to fight in the front lines and knock down every barrier, every obstacle. They have sworn to teach how to create the best weapons, how to never falter, to lead by example. In this battle, as tough as it may seem, you will never be alone. Together, we are an unstoppable force. With them in the lead, victory is inevitable. An elite of warriors, a circle of champions. With strength and honor, they fight for you.